Well, hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing on to my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, we're going to be rocking out with our Crocs out again, and I am going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make Asian meatballs. So, grab a hold of that vine and swing on to my kitchen. Good looking. Good looking. I'm so glad you came to the kitchen today because we're going to be rocking out with our Crocs out, and today we're going to be making that Asian meatballs, or like I like to sit there and tease my son, because he's not a fan of meatballs, but until he heard that we were having this, he was all for meatballs for supper. Go figure. So I have some meatballs in my crock here. I'll be bringing them over to show you in 1 second. There are the meatballs. Now let's add 1/4 cup of the oyster sauce. Here's the 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. Let's go ahead and add that all to the inside. 1/4 cup rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons water, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons sriracha, 3/4 teaspoon dried minced garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of the dried ginger. Go ahead, turn your slow cooker on low, and we're going to cook this for 4 hours. But before you do that, I want you to give everything a good stir inside our crock pot. Okay, it's about 4 hours later. Take your cover off. I'm going to take my spatula, give it a good little zhuzh around. Now I went into my freezer and I grabbed a package of the frozen broccoli, and we're going to sit there and pour some of the broccoli flowerettes. Now I was asked by my family to make a little extra broccoli with this, so I'm going to go a little heavily on the broccoli. Now I'm going to give this another stir. There it is, all inside the crock. Now we're going to sit there and cook this for roughly about 30 minutes or until the broccoli is all heated through. In the meantime, go ahead, cook the rice up. And there you go. We were rocking out with our crock out, and we knocked another one right out of the ballpark. Now, if you like this Asian meatball dish, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll be notified every time I do put on a new video. And most of all, I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time out to watch my video and to support my channel. And y'all come back now. You hear?